Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to poll in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to poll in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone and open the chat box on which you want to poll, guys. So I'll be just opening the demo groups chat box which I had created earlier. Now in order to make a poll or poll on this WhatsApp group or any chat, you can just open a personal chat as well. You can just see at the bottom of the screen, after opening a chat box, there is a message bar, and at the right side there is an attachment icon. Tap on that attachment icon, and over here you can scroll down until you can find the poll on the green button. Over here you can see, tap on poll and you will be able to ask your question, the answers to, and you can add many answers you like, and after that you can also disallow multiple answers as well as allow multiple answers. And with that being done, tap on the button which is on the green at the bottom right to send it, and that poll will be sent on WhatsApp chat. And guys, this is how to poll in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.